first grade, we are going to be doing some measurement today. We were doing a lot of measuring in inches and we're just beginning to use measurement in centimeters. But I kind of want to review our rulers and go over inches and centimeters and then get out our yardstick and do inches and centimeters. So just a couple of the things that we have been learning in first grade. So measurement. So we have a ruler that is a foot ruler. And remember we talked about how actually different people have different size feet, but when we measure we had to do a regular foot ruler. And so we use one of these, which is a regular foot ruler. And so when we look to see that there are 12 inches. 12 inches equals 1 foot. Okay, so this is a foot ruler, so we go by this, and I know it's white, kind of matches the whiteboard, sorry about that. So 12 inches equals 1 foot. Remember the shortcut way for inches, we could do INS period. That's kind of our abbreviation. Okay, so remember measuring in inches is kind of like the spread out way. But if we flip it over to this side, we're going to have centimeters. Okay, so when we read our ruler from 0 all the way across on our foot ruler, we notice that we have 30 centimeters. This is a very long word. Centimeters equals 1 foot. Okay, so the abbreviation we can write CMS period for centimeters. So there's 30 centimeters in this foot ruler. 12 inches in the foot ruler, 30 centimeters. All right, so then we go to the big yardstick. So we have our big yardstick like this, and when we read it, we're like, what? Oh my goodness, there are so many inches in this. There are going to be 36 inches. I'm going to do the abbreviation, INS, inches in 1 yard. Wow, that is a lot. That's a big long. This is a yardstick. So when they measure like a football field, they measure it in yards. So sometimes you'll see that, yards. So if we flip it over, actually to this side, we're gonna have centimeters. And I'm looking to see, ooh, that's a lot of centimeters. I think that says 91. Mrs. Harlan needs her glasses. So 91 centimeters, remember CMS period, equals 1 yard. Okay, so here's our yardstick. But we really go by the inches a lot of times. So 36 inches equals a yard. Now, in class, I had some helpers, and what we did is we took our foot rulers and we had to figure out, wow, how many feet is it going to take to make a yard? And when we did that, we found out that it was 3 feet equals 1 yard. That's another thing we're going to do. So 3 feet. Now we say feet is plural for foot. Foot is if there's only one. Feet with the 2 E's makes it plural. 3 feet equals 1 yard. And we did that in class. We put this yardstick ruler on the carpet, on our floor, and then we had our helpers, our friends, and we did this. We put the ruler on top, and the ruler on top, and the ruler on top, and we were like, oh my goodness, it took 3 feet to make 1 yard. So that's just kind of a review on our measurements between our inches and our centimeters and our yard. So again, 12 inches equals 1 foot. 30 centimeters equals 1 foot. 36 inches equals 1 yard. 91 centimeters equals 1 yard. And then 3 of these feet equal 1 yard. So that's just kind of a review on our measurement. right, first grade, have a super day. All right, bye.